It's time to dish with D. That's me. You asked, I delivered. Quick refrigerator pickles. I've made this, it's been a while, but we used to make this all the time, and it was always a hit at our barbecues. So I thought I would WWFI it by swapping out the sugar for some monk fruit. So you have 0-point pickles, because if we use sugar, we'd have to count it. So let's get started. This is quick. If you blink, you just might miss something. Just saying. All right, we start off with Kirby's. You need 6 cups of sliced Kirby's. I already did most of them. I'm going to show you how to do one. These are the small pickles. Could you use regular cucumbers? I'm sure you could, but we always have Kirby's grown locally here, so I've always just used those. And you can slice thick or as thin as you like. These are your pickles. You want them thick? Cut them thin. You want them thin? Cut them thin. We just cut them. I'd show you, because if I don't show you this video will be 2 seconds. And the written recipe will be found on the website, which will be linked in the description box below. So you don't have to worry about knowing what's going in and how much, because it's going to go fast. All right. Here we have our container. In the big container, we put our 6 cups of sliced Kirby's. Now, the very amounts of onion could go, it could say, my thing says 2 small. It depends on, I'm putting 1 small, and I'm 1 sliced carrot, just in little discs, like that. And we're going to throw that in. All right, throw your onion and your carrot in the pool. Now I have 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to slice them in half or quarters. Doesn't really matter. We're not eating them. We just want their flavor. Dump them in. Alrighty. 6 cups of water. Oops, I don't want to spill it like I did. There we go. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. I should have gotten a bigger container. Oh, live and learn, folks. Live and learn. This is where the sugar comes in. You need 1 3/4 cups. I'm just going to do 1 1/2 cups, honestly. I think that should be plenty. I don't want them overly sweet. But, like I said, everything written down will be in the recipe description box on the website. 1 3/4. Salt, 1 tablespoon. That sounds like a lot, but we are making pickles. And you notice I didn't have to boil this. This goes right in the fridge. And a teaspoon of dill weed. That's all she wrote. We give it a little stir, and every once in a while I'll go in. Now, if I had a bigger container, I would of course toss it like nobody's business, but yeah, I didn't get quite the big enough container. I'm just gonna get that all. You want the sugar to dissolve with the monk fruit. Just make sure you get underneath. Yeah, I would use my lock and lock and give this bad boy a huge shake, shake, shake. This goes in the refrigerator for 24 hours, so which means we won't be tasting these yet. I will wait to upload this tomorrow so we can taste some pickles. Let's get them. So to make sure everyone is in the pool. Sugar is dissolved, dill spread around, salt's distributed. Smells good already. Looks good already, honestly. All right, we're gonna put this, cover it, put it in the fridge for 24 hours, and we will come back and we will taste these bad boys. All right, here we are, 24 hours later. You can see how they have softened. There's much more room in here than there was yesterday. And the longer they sit, the softer they'll get. Right now, they're still a little bit on the crunchier side. So if you like your pickle a little bit more pickled, And I would say leave it for at least another 24 to 48 hours. These will last in your fridge for 2 weeks, if they last that long. So there you are. And they're more like a sweet pickle. So let's have a taste, because hey, maybe they suck. Okay. Delicious. Sweet. It's just reminiscent of a bread and butter pickle. Yes. 0 Point Pickles. Brought to you by D. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed those easy refrigerated sweet pickles, bread and butter pickles, whatever you want to call them. They're easy, they're yummy, and they're 0 points. Win-win in my book. It makes a great little side dish for a barbecue. So highly recommend it. And that would be 0 points on all plans. So thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a big old thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Share this video with anybody who loves pickles, because life's too short not to eat pickles. Thanks for watching.